department, please respond to 70 Bristol Terrace for a Zone 2 fire alarm. That's community living, and the alarm has been reset. Key holder is pending. That's 71 Bristol Terrace, Cross Street, Josephine Street, and Cedar Street. It is July 21st at 19:46:32. Go ahead.
Terrace re-acknowledges the station for Wingham Station.
Roger that. Car 3 acknowledging page at 19:47:49.
Engine 1, call car 2. Go ahead, car 2, Bravo. Yeah, Bravo, I just got a call myself from OPP. They are on scene. They're saying just one truck's required. They just can't reset the alarm. Yeah, roger that. That's all I have manpower for it. Yeah, roger that. If you need to attend, just let me know. Roger. Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 responding to 71 Bristol Terrace, Bravo, plus 3 belted.
Roger that, engine 1, you're responding. Bravo plus 3 belted. It's currently 19:50:42.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene. You can also show OPP on scene. Bravo be command a mobile. Occupants are out of the home. Nothing's showing. We will be investigating.
Roger that, engine 1 on scene, OPP on scene, Bravo is in command, occupants are out of the home, you'll be investigating, it's 19:52:15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
If there's a unit calling command, go ahead.
So you can show we have a team of 2 entering the structure to investigate.
Roger that, command 2 entering the structure to investigate. Again, it's a team of 2 investigating, 19:54:21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
360 in progress.
Roger, 360 in progress, it's 19:55:35.
Entry 1, call command. Can I get an update? Yeah, roger that. I'm going to have the ladder, 4-foot ladder, put at the front door. Just check the attic too when you're done with the crawl space. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
360 is complete. Nothing showing.
Roger that, 360 complete, nothing showing. 19:57:55.
Entry 1, call command. Roger that. Still 0 readings. Nothing showing on the tip. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
So you can show we've done an inspection of the whole structure. 0 readings on the multi-gas. 0 readings on our tick. Entry team 1 has exited the building prior to.
Roger that, 20:09:25.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
on-site supervisor has been in touch with Georgian Bay Alarms. Fire has found nothing. Command is terminated. All units return to Wingham Station.
Roger that. On-site supervisor has been in touch with the Georgian Bay Alarm Company. Command has found nothing inside the building. Command terminated all units, clear and returning. 2016-45.